So for today's video guys, meron na naman tayong credit card. Pinadala to ng Union Bank and I heard na this is like Visa Platinum, no? So titignan natin kung mataas ba magbigay ng credit limit ng Union Bank since Platinum itong credit card na to. And at the same time, tingnan rin natin kung mare-retain yung, di ba meron kasing system yung Citibank. At ngayon kasi owned na ng Union Bank yung Citibank. So tingnan din natin yan for today's video guys.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
Hey guys, Jayden Yael again and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, yes, meron nagpadala no ng credit card GO21 or yan, maaasahan. Medyo mabilis yung delivery niya guys at alam niyo na galing to sa Union Bank. So far wala talaga ako naging problema sa Union Bank when it comes to their delivery. Lalo ang credit card kasi 'di ba alam naman natin nakakatakot pa rin yung credit card. Minsan yung mga delivery grabe ang tagal. Buti na lang no. Thank you. Kasi okay yung Union Bank when it comes to pag-deliver ng kanilang mga credit card. So this is actually, yeah, Union Bank. Medyo maganda siya. Nabuksan ko na siya guys, syempre, just to check. But this is actually like Visa Platinum. This is actually different from the one I have with them. Kasi MasterCard yun. Tapos yung color orange yun. This time, this is Visa Platinum. Tingnan natin guys kung okay talaga magbigay ng credit limit si Union Bank. Kasi ito una, sige, habang binubuksan ko siya yan. Binuksan ko na siya guys Habang binubuksan ko siya, gusto ko lang i-share na like if you are new when it comes to like credit card, yung mga application na ganyan, you might want to try Union Bank kasi very rare sila mag-disapprove. Sa experience ko lang tsaka sa experience din ng mga kasama ko. Anyway guys, meron akong code. You might want to use that. You might want to use that guys. Kasi, yeah, meron akong link. Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section. Ipipin ko. And at the same time, lalagay ko rin siya sa description box. So check nyo yon, click nyo. And so far kasi, yung mga link ko, medyo maraming talaga na-approve. Based din dun sa mga, may mga nagko-comment din sa ilang mga videos ko na approve daw sila using my link. So yun guys, try nyo lang kasi, di ba, malay nyo, ma-approve kayo. Wala naman ako makukuha doon na anything, wala, no? Pero kasi, like every approve yata, meron ng certain GC, no? Pero wala akong literal na commission, no? Every time na you click that link, I just want to help you out. So, ayan na guys, this is actually a rewards credit card. Pero nakita ko kasi Visa Platinum siya. Ayan. Ayan, use your new and get up to. Ito mga flyers lang nila to. Ayan, o diba? Ito mga flyers lang nila. Ganyan. Tapos nakatanggap nga ako ng nakatanggap ako ng email na medyo marami din pakulo talaga ang Union Bank or Citibank. Kasi parang itong card ko na to Citibank. Tapos pinadalhan ako ng Union Bank kasi nga owned na ng Union Bank ang Citibank. Baka hindi nyo pa alam guys, no? Ayos yan, yung nakatakip andyan yung credit limit, i-share ko din naman sa inyo guys. Pero ayun siya, very aesthetic actually yung card nila ngayon. Dun sa nakatakip makikita nyo yung credit limit, tapos makikita nyo din yung cash advance and etc. Tapos ito yung card, ang ganda niya guys actually. Aesthetic, hindi ko alam kung napapanindigan no, ng camera ko. But it's beautiful, sobrang ganda niya. Visa Platinum guys. Ito na siya guys, yan yung malapitan niya. Color parang dark blue yung kanyang kulay. Aesthetic siya, medyo nagustuhan ko rin siya actually. Hindi siya yung kagaya ng ibang credit card na masyado makulay. Ayoko kasi nung ganun. Medyo prefer ko yung medyo, alam niyo yun, light lang. This one is very aesthetic. Again, yung card na to is Visa Platinum. Iba-iba yung card, merong MasterCard, iba-iba din yan, no? Depende sa yung mas prefer nyo. Meron kasi parang focus siya sa gasoline, meron focus siya sa kung ano-ano, no? Ito is it's more on rewards, focus to sa rewards. Like if you spend like certain amount using this credit card, you'll be able to have a certain points, no? And then you can either convert that points into cash or use that for other purchases, something like that. So ito siya, reward siya guys. So since this is a platinum, ang tanong ng nakakarami, kapag ba platinum, automatic ba siya na mataas yung credit limit? In my personal experience, actually pag platinum, mas mataas siya kaysa dun sa mga classic, kaysa sa mga, di ba meron pa yan iba't ibang, depende sa credit card company. Pero napansin ko pag platinum, medyo mataas talaga siya. Pero sige, to set your expectation, it could be super close to 6 digits, no? When I say 6 digits na credit limit nasa 100,000, either super duper close or nasa 6 digits talaga siya. So medyo okay talaga ang Visa Platinum when it comes to the credit limit, no? Napansin nyo, meron siyang orange, no? Nitong Visa, ayan, no? Ang ganda niya guys nung card kasi nag-orange yung UB, meron siyang Union Bank, ayan o, nag-orange siya. Tapos yung lining niya, hindi ko lang mapakita yung likod guys kasi nandun lahat ng information. But look at that, may lining siya na orange. Very aesthetic and very ano din, parang sobrang class nitong Union Bank na credit card na to, Visa Platinum. Now again guys, no, you might want to use yung link ko, ipipin ko na lang sa comment section and also dun sa description box, no. You might want to use that link para try nyo lang mag-apply kasi sabi ko nga sa kanina, no, medyo maraming in the past, like Citibank pa yun at saka if I'm not mistaken BPI. Marami na rin kasi yung credit card na inopen sa channel na to. Check nyo lang dun sa album, meron album dito. But yeah, medyo marami-rami na rin ang bumalik sa akin at nagsabing na-approve sila using my link. So yun lang guys, baka gusto nyong try yung link na to sa Union Bank. And again, kapag nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa credit card, no, na buhay, sabi ko nga kanina, you might want to try Union Bank kasi very rare or very seldom sila mag-disapprove. Approve ka nila, minsan syempre magsisimula ka lang dyan ng hindi naman ganun kalaking credit limit. Pero okay na, diba? So, yan guys, again, Visa Platinum siya. Now, let's talk about Citibank, no? It is now owned by Union Bank. Nakita ko rin talaga yung difference kasi I was an owner as well of Citibank. Now, itong pinadala nila, ito galing talaga to sa yung credit card ko sa Union Bank, no? So, okay din naman ang Union Bank. It's still the same system, no? With Citibank. Nakakatawa na hindi nila binago kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, medyo maganda talaga yung system ng Citibank. Meron pa rin sila yung get cash, ganun sa option. And in fairness naman kasi kay Union Bank na maganda rin yung app niya guys. Nakakasabay siya as compared to the rest of the apps ng mga credit card. So, okay din naman. It's fine na nabili ng Union Bank ang Citibank kasi like we can be certain na hindi papangat ang sistema ng Citibank kasi nasa maganda naman silang kumpanya din which is the Union Bank guys. Guys, that's all for this video. This is just merely an unboxing for my new Union Bank Visa Platinum credit card, no rewards. If you have some questions in mind, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and again click my link, no, if you wanna apply with the Union Bank credit card. Use that link at hindi nyo alam, syempre most likely ma-approve naman kayo nyan. Yay, that's all for this video guys. Again, my name is Jaden Yael and please click that subscribe button there. Help me reach 20,000 subscribers, guys. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye, guys.
The way